ClickSmart Plus. How to pair the Smart Scenario switch. Open up the ClickSmart Plus app. Before pairing the Smart Scenario switch, make sure you have the ClickSmart Plus hub set up and paired to the app. On the home screen, tap the plus button in the top right hand corner, then add device. Next, tap Smart Scenario switch. Select your paired gateway hub. Follow the on-screen instructions. If your Smart Scenario switch is not in pairing mode, tap Resetting Devices and follow the on-screen steps. Then press Continue. Once the blue indicator is blinking, tap to confirm and then press Next. The app will now add the Smart Scenario switch to your account. This may take a few minutes. The Smart Scenario switch has been successfully added. Tap Done. Make sure to change the name of your Smart Scenario switch so it can be easily accessible and used with voice commands. Press on the pencil icon next to the device. Then tap Name. Change the name to your preference. You are now ready to configure the Smart Scenario switch through the app. Please see our video on how to add actions to your Smart Scenario switch. All ClickSmart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. ClickSmart Plus, making your home smarter.